So we get the engagement numbers from the actual platform itself, the social media platform. But visits are always the same. And so then we track visits through our marketing platform, or you can do it through Google Analytics. So you don't have to buy a marketing platform to track this stuff. And you can track it all the way through the funnel of what pages they visited, how long they were on your site, and we can see what platforms are engaging more. Once they get to our site, are they bouncing or are they sticking around and viewing a bunch of pages, that kind of thing. Yeah. And so we track it all the way through like that to whether they fill out a contact form, and we count that as a conversion.
Sure.
The sales team then puts the deal source or the lead source in the CRM so that we can attach where they came from with their record, and then follow that all the way through.
And at that point, you can generate reports every month,
every
reports,
quarter,
or whatever.
So we can say we spent X amount of dollars on Twitter investment, and we got this much in return.